This is voltage 220, 380 dual power supply, welder with 300 amps of current. Clean up slightly. The customer said that after connecting the power, can't get electricity. Plug it in now and see if it turns on. Look, the switch has been pressed, but the machine still doesn't respond. Then we check to see if there is power going in. There is electricity in. Then check to see if there is any power output. Also has electrical output. There's a fuse that's burned out. The pads below are also broken. Gotta remove the board to fix it. This place on this board is broken. Now take the bad part down. Reinstall the new. The bad place has been replaced. Now put it back on again. Then turn it on and see if it works. The board has been installed. Now see if the machine can start. It can now start normally. Then we test the output voltage. It is normal for the output voltage to be more than 60 volts. Try welding again to see if there are any other problems. This connector is a little loose. Tighten later. Welding is no problem. The current size can also be adjusted. The connector has been tightened. There are no other issues now. No problem. Follow me if you like this video. Thanks for watching.